but it's not going to vent outside. It'll just blow stuff around, basically. So I always recommend trying to vent it out of your house if you can, and always, before you install it, make sure that the motor is in the right place. If this is solid like this, then it is blowing out this way. So to flip this, we're going to take this screw out and then the 4 on the top. That ain't good. What just happened? Don't lose those. This will slide out this way and come off. And you pull this up, and this is broken. That's what was going on there. So that is broken. That's why that screw didn't want to really come out. Not great, but hopefully the microwave works. So if you wanted to vent it through the back here, you would want to spin it like this. You move this over to here. Of course, that's broken now. And put it back in like this. And then you break these out right here, this one and this one, and it is venting out the back. And to vent it through the top, same way, you put that in there, and then, nope, I'm wrong, you gotta go this way. So leave it the way it is, and then drop it in like this. And now it's gonna be venting out of the top. So we can, first of all, put a screw in here, and then put this on top here. Make sure it locks in down here, like that. And we can reinstall these screws and do these ones by hand, just to be safe. So now this right here, if there's any tape or anything holding this, you're going to want to make sure it's off of this. This is the damper, so nothing can backflow in here. And then we are going to line it up here like this. And be careful because it's sharp. There you go. And then there is room for a tiny bit of adjustment, like this. Or you could tape this into place. But I'm just going to leave it like that. That's pretty sealed up. And then we can install the microwave.